you do the sponge movement with us?
Yes!
Well, let's do it together.
In the water, 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 water has no shoes, no shoes, no shoes. This is a farm with little birds and buddies jumping all around. The turkeys gobble, chickens cluck, rooster crows.
Well done!
Yippee!
This is a farm with little birds and bunnies jumping all around.
Who will the next animal be?
Yes!
He's so dirty. Let's do the sponge movement together.
In the water, 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 water has no shoes, no shoes, no shoes. At the farm, 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 there is a ranch, 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 full of animals, so very special. Show the dog goes woof, 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 the chicken caw, 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 the cow goes moo, the duck quack, quack, the frog goes quack, quack, quack.
Good job, folks. He's all cleaned up now.
Full of animals, so very special. Show the dog goes woof, 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 the chicken caw, 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 the cow goes moo, the duck quack, quack, the frog goes croak, croak, croak. At the farm, 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 there is a ranch, 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 full of animals, so very special.
Which one will be the last animal?
Wow!
It's covered in mud. Let's do the sponge movement one more time.
In the water, 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 water has no shoes, no shoes, no shoes. The story I'm about to tell happened a while ago when we went to have some fun out on Zenon's farm. Everything was going well.
Great job, folks.
Yippee!
Down the road, and the tire exploded. Everyone went crazy, I know. A pig oinked, a calf cried, a duck flew off, a dog barked, a cow mooed, then a horse kicked.
All the animals are clean now.
Yippee!
Come back soon. Goodbye.